hello, and thank you for joining me on my first YouTube video, which is not really my first YouTube video, but the first one where I show myself in front of the camera. I'm currently out with my new car, which is the 2016 Porsche Boxster GTS, which I bought from a friend, which is also the same guy on my Instagram feed with the new Spider RS. And yeah, today I thought I'd just take you with me on this little drive through the Black Forest. I took a friend with me, and we filmed some nice B-roll and stuff. And yeah, I just thought I'd try this whole YouTube vlogging thing and yeah, just see where this goes. Okay, so we're now in the car, and we're just gonna take it for a chill little drive. Got some beautiful roads right ahead of me. We're currently in the Black Forest on the Schwarzwald-Hochstraße, and yeah, the views are just insane. We have the best weather today, not like the past 3 weeks, and yeah, it's just insane. I love it up here, and with a car like this, it's just perfect. What more could you want? And with that sound as well. That is exactly why I bought this car. I hope this comes across on video, because it's just so insanely loud. Makes me wonder sometimes how this is even legal. But yeah, back then everything was a little bit better back then regarding cars. Just downshifts sound insane. Pops and crackles everywhere, and then acceleration. Insane. Fun story about this specific car is this was actually the first Porsche that I've ever driven. I met my friend back then for the first time, and I just walked up to him and told him that he has a very nice car, and he just tossed me the keys and said, yeah, why don't you take it for a spin? And that was my first ever Porsche moment. I enjoyed it so much that I couldn't resist buying my own. First one was a very poorly spec'd 981S. After that I've had the 780 with a little bit of a higher spec, but I wasn't very happy with the 4-cylinder, I have to be honest. And we had just the right timing, because my friend got his Spider RS, had this car in his garage, wanted to sell it, and I just sold my 718, so yeah, I got a good deal on the car, and I'm really happy with it. I just love the way it drives, I love the way it sounds, I love the way it looks. It's just an amazing car, honestly. I mean, how can you not love this car? Now I'm just gonna send it a little bit, have some fun, and record a little bit of audio and let you enjoy this car with some great quality. I'm just gonna quickly turn around here. Yeah, let's go back into the other direction. Alright guys, today's video is effectively over. I had a lot of fun filming today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did so, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos. And yeah, I've got some cool videos coming, got some cool cars coming. I've talked to some friends and they are willing to give me their cars for filming. And yeah, let me know how I did for my first time in front of the camera. And yeah, I really hope to see you guys in the future on this channel. And yeah, have a great day.